Introducing the official Scalar 2 course, featuring all new creative summaries by Scalar Creative Director Davide Carbone. Comprehensive step-by-step instructional videos covering the features and functions of Scalar 2 by Tristan and Malloch. Videos that demonstrate both desktop and iOS platforms and how to work with projects across Scalar 2 on Mac, PC and iPad. Multiple choice assessment and Scalar 2 exercises designed to ensure you know how to get the most out of this award-winning software. The official Scalar 2 course, available online at Plugin Boutique and School of Synthesis. Hi, I'm Davide Carbone. I'm the Creative Director of Scalar 2. In this video, we're going to look at the newly launched Scalar 2 course online that we've created. Basically what it is, it's a course that covers every feature and function in minute detail of Scalar 2. It's something that many of our users have requested, and it's something that we've really wanted to do because it's become such a powerful beast, if you like, that we feel many of our users don't take advantage of several of the advanced features. So this course is really designed for beginners and advanced users. And what it does is it breaks Scalar up into 7 modules, and there's several lessons within each module. It starts with an introduction by myself, then Tristan, Malloch and James Hewson take you through music theory tips, features, functions of Scalar, every single thing. We look at all the DAWs, we look at Logic Pro X, Ableton Live, Studio One, Pro Tools, Cubase, FL Studio. And then the modules finish with a creative summary, which is basically me making a track covering all the lessons in that particular module. There's also assessments and exercises, and they're designed to really help you reinforce what you've learned in the course. Let's have a look through some of the content now. If you want a book, you can do so in the description below. Thanks for watching.
The last subject we'll cover in this module is keys lock. This is an option to make playing chords and scales incredibly easy, regardless of your piano playing ability. Once keys lock is enabled, you get several options to customize its behavior. The first option, Scale Notes Mapped, will only let you play notes from the currently selected scale, regardless of which keys on your keyboard you play. Here I have the C minor scale selected, which doesn't include the note E. So whenever I play the note E, I actually hear an E flat note instead.
Okay, so in this creative summary, we're going to look at making a tune from scratch, the one that we were just listening to on the intro there, covering all the things that we looked at in Module 3.
So we've established that you can click and drag the box called Drag into your DAW, which will import all the chords from your pattern into your DAW. This also takes into account any chord duration settings, which determines the length of each chord. Or if you have Perform mode enabled, the performance data will also be imported into your DAW, such as this arpeggio which I have enabled. The last modulation preset available to us is called Neo-Riemannian. Whilst that might sound fairly complicated, its application and the way it's implemented here in Scalar is actually very simple and straightforward. The idea is to create smooth sounding chord changes by moving as fewer notes as possible. To get started with Neo-Riemannian modulation, just drag a chord into the blank box. Now we can see all the Neo-Riemannian modulations on the right.
Hi, in this video I'm going to look at modulation, and I'm going to look at Scalar's modulation and how I might use that right at the start to build a chord progression that is set in one key and then modulates to a new key. Here we go. So the key switch says come back, doesn't activate yet. And now you'll see it switching. Over here to switch and play this suggested pathway to help me launch into the D major, and the key switch will activate and now we'll be in D major.